Let me move to the next presentation. This is from Andy Yu, Solutions Engineer at JinkoSolar, and he's going to talk about the latest PV modules and BESS solutions from JinkoSolar. Andy, the floor is yours.
Yep. On. So hello everyone. I'm Andy from JinkoSolar. I'm a solution engineer here. It is an honor to be here today to discuss JinkoSolar's.
Andy, sorry to interrupt you. Your presentation is still not in. Now it is in the full screen. Okay, great. Please continue.
Okay, it's a bit laggy, I think. It is an honor to be here today to discuss JinkoSolar's PV technology and our global manufacturing strategy. We are at a pivotal point in the solar energy industry, and I am excited to share our journey and future plans with you. Did it go to a second slide? Okay, our discussion will cover the following topics: Jinko's TOPCon, technology and UV degradation, empirical analysis of TOPCon versus BC, Jinko scenario products, and finally, Jinko's global manufacturing 2.0 strategy.
Andy, I think your presentation is not moving. So we are still seeing the first slide. Yeah, now it came. I think it's really, there is a lot of lag. So would you like to reshare? Maybe close it.
Yeah.
If you have on your computer, because it's I can still see this round thing which is indicating it's processing. So maybe try it once again.
So let me stop the sharing and then share again.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Do you see the second slide?
Not yet. We are still not seeing your slide.
Oh God, it's really laggy, right?
Yeah.
Maybe you can share from your end.
There, do you have the presentation from Andy?
Give me a moment, I'm sharing.
Yeah. I think now we can see it.
Awesome. Should I start from the beginning?
Yes, just start. And then when you want to go to the next slide, just say next slide. So we are already on the content page.
Okay, got it. Yeah, let's just do the third slide. So let's start out with our achievements. JinkoSolar is the first company that shipped more than 230 gigawatts of modules by Q1 2024, boasting a global market share of 15% and the top market share in 8 of the 10 top PV markets. Next slide, please. As we delve into the deep specifics, it's essential to understand the overarching mission of JinkoSolar. Our commitment to innovation and quality drives us, to push the boundaries of PV technology, ensuring our products not only to meet but exceed industry standards. This commitment is reflected in every aspect of our operations, from research to development to manufacturing and customer service. Next, please. Our journey begins with a focus on Jinko's N-type TOPCon 𝗩𝗲 modules. At JinkoSolar, improving the efficiency of our N-type TOPCon modules is a continuous endeavor. But efficiency is just one part of the equation. We also prioritize enhancing the reliability and quality of our products. This dual focus ensures that JinkoSolar remains at the forefront of the solar industry, addressing diverse application scenarios and climatic conditions worldwide. Our products go beyond mere certifications. They're designed to withstand rigorous testing conditions. These tests are required to ensure high reliability, making Jinko TOPCon products the most reliable and stable technology. In September 2023, JinkoSolar received a test report from TÜV Nord, in which the N-type TOPCon 𝗩𝗲𝗿𝗂𝗍𝗆 modules underwent an extremely rigorous UV180 plus DH1000 test. Next, please. Let's delve into the details of these tests. Conventional testing typically involves UV15 and DH1000 tests conducted separately, with a 5% power degradation threshold. UV15 refers to the module being exposed to 15 kWh per meter squared of ultraviolet irradiation at an ambient temperature of 55 to 65 degrees Celsius to determine the degradation due to UV exposure. DH1000 is a damp heat test conducted at 83 to 87 degrees C and 80 to 90% relative humidity for 1,000 hours to determine the module's ability to withstand long-term moisture penetration. The UV180 plus DH1000 test conducted by JinkoSolar significantly increased the testing conditions, not only by irradiating at 180 watts per meter squared for 1,000 hours, increasing the cumulative UV irradiation by 12 times, but also by applying damp heat conditions simultaneously. The results were outstanding. After such an intense aging test, the power degradation of Jinko 𝗩𝗲𝗍𝗔 modules were only 2.93%, much lower than the passing standard of 5%. Once again, proving the reliability and durability of Jinko TOPCon modules in harsh conditions. Next, please. Next, we'll explore an empirical study compared TOPCon and BC modules. In Jiangxi, China, a study was conducted using 18 pieces of JinkoSolar's 575-watt TOPCon modules and 18 pieces of 575-watt BC modules. The module array was installed in a factory rooftop system in fixed positions with 0-degree tilt and no elevation from the ground. The purpose of this study was to investigate the potential of TOPCon modules against emerging technologies in environments where TOPCon doesn't take advantage of its bifacial output. Over the course of 11 months, from August 2023 to July 2024, sensors measured real-time data such as DC voltage, current, power, module temperature, irradiance, etc. The highest daily average irradiance of 273 watts per meter squared was recorded in June, and the highest temperature of 39.7 degrees C in July. The lowest irradiance of 104 watts per meter squared and ambient temperature of -5 degrees C was recorded in January and February, respectively. Next, please. The empirical results revealed that the total energy production of TOPCon modules was 1.13% more than that of BC modules. During April, a month filled with rain, the decreased irradiance resulted in a yield gain of only 0.33% for TOPCon over BC. In contrast, June's high ambient temperatures and prolonged daylight increased TOPCon's energy production gain to 1.95% over BC. The snowy winter season from January to February exhibited both low irradiance and ambient temperature, resulted in 0.52 to 0.53% yield gain of TOPCon against BC. Next, please. To understand these results, it's crucial to recognize the advantages of each technology. BC modules with electrical contacts only on the rear side achieve a high absorption area on the front, allowing more energy generation. However, TOPCon's performance in high temperature conditions were far more stable and impressive, with 1.95 more generation in BC modules in June. After investigating and examining of the data, we found that TOPCon modules' operating temperature was typically lower than that of BC modules, suffering less from efficiency losses due to the temperature coefficient. We're not exactly sure what might cause this difference at the moment, but it is a common phenomenon that we have witnessed in our testing. Though not tested or emphasized in this study, TOPCon modules have the advantage of effective bifacial power generation, allowing 10% more power generation than monofacial modules with the same nameplate ratings. For consumers, this 10% add-on is essentially a gift, enhancing the cost effectiveness of Jinko TOPCon modules when bifaciality is implemented. Combined with proven durability and stability, these attributes make Jinko TOPCon the optimal choice for large-scale solar farms. Next, please. Next, I want to share with you some scenario products. This is a 3 advantage module. The 3 advantages are high hail resistance. It is tested to withstand 55mm hail impact. Its rear side has a max static test load of 4,000 with regular mounting and 5,400 Pascal with specific mounting. Its front side can have loads over 6,400. And the third is high fire rating class. It is certified IEC fire class A and UL fire type 30. Next, please. These are the products that will come in these 3 advantage models, the BDX, the 66 and the 72 cell models. Next, please. I want to talk about our Neo Green products. These N-type TOPCon target Neo panels are not just another addition to our product line. They're a testament to our commitment to the environment. They are produced in our factories that have been awarded the prestigious Zero Carbon Factory certification by TÜV Rheinland. This certification is a validation of our compliance with the highest environmental standards and requirements. JinkoSolar is the first in the industry to receive this honor for every step of our manufacturing process: silicon ingot manufacturing, silicon wafer cutting, solar cell manufacturing, and solar module manufacturing. This is a major step forward in our mission to promote a greener future. The initial 5 gigawatt capacity of Neo Green is the culmination of years of dedicated research and development. It is also the result of an unwavering focus on adopting an environmentally conscious approach across our vertically integrated supply chain. Our facilities in 𝗚𝗏 𝗪淅, and Shanghai utilize solar, hydro, and wind-generated electricity, demonstrating our dedication to clean energy. As a part of our broader environmental efforts, JinkoSolar is committed to expanding the use of recycled materials and increasing the deployment of electric trucks and LNG powered ships. We aim to reduce our reliance on plastic and packaging and strive towards 100% renewable energy for all our manufacturing and production needs. Next, please. As we reflect on the remarkable milestones achieved by JinkoSolar, it's essential to recognize that our journey is not about reaching new heights. It's about transforming the way we approach global manufacturing. 100 gigawatts plus N-type TOPCon modules delivered worldwide, JinkoSolar is not only a leader in clean energy solutions, but also a pioneer in the evolution of our industry. Today, I'm excited to discuss our next significant leap: Global Manufacturing 2.0 era. Global Manufacturing 2.0 is more than a buzzword. It's a strategic framework that encapsulates our vision for a more integrated, collaborative, and sustainable approach to production. It's about leveraging the strength of local markets, embracing technological advancements, and fostering partnerships that drive innovation and efficiency. This new era is characterized by a shift from standalone production facilities to a network of interconnected, intelligent, and responsive manufacturing ecosystems. Next, please. Innovation has always been at the heart of JinkoSolar's success. As we step into the 2.0 era, we continue to drive technological advancements, integrating them with strategic collaborations. Our partnership with RELC and VI exemplifies this approach, combining our cutting-edge N-type technology with local expertise to propel the solar energy industry forward. Understanding the importance of local integration in a global context, we're proud to partner with entities that share our vision for sustainable growth. By integrating JinkoSolar's strength with the unique advantages of our Saudi partners, we're building not just a facility, but a future that is deeply rooted in local community, yet reaches far beyond. For Jinko, sustainability is a guiding principle that shapes our actions and informs our decisions. Our dedication to clean, efficient solar energy is a beacon that lights the path to a greener, more responsible world. The establishment of a joint venture is a promise of what is to come. It is a promise of shared success, of collective triumphs, and of a future where all stakeholders can thrive. Next, please. As we venture into global manufacturing 2.0, JinkoSolar is poised not only to adapt but to lead. We will continue to refine our manufacturing and marketing strategies, striving to enhance our global presence and contribute to the sustainable development of the energy sector. Next, please. Our joint venture is a significant investment, both in financial terms and in terms of our commitment to the future. With an expected investment of approximately $1 billion, we're setting the stage for a manufacturing facility in Saudi Arabia that will not only be a powerhouse of production, but also a symbol of our dedication to the highest standards of efficiency and quality. Once operational, this facility is projected to achieve an annual production capacity of 10 gigawatts for both high-efficiency solar cells and modules. This is not just a number, it represents our capacity to meet the growing global demand for clean energy and to contribute significantly to the fight against climate change. Next, please.
Andy, can you quickly wrap up in 2 minutes, please?
Yep, last slide. As we stand at the crossroads of today and tomorrow, JinkoSolar is ready to play a pivotal role in globalization. Together with our partners, we're not just crafting a business strategy, we're crafting a shared vision for a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable world. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Andy. Thanks a lot for a very interesting presentation. Unfortunately, we don't have time to go into the questions, but please stay online. And if there are any questions in the chat window, please answer them.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, thank you.